Most people over 50, and that would be me, will change their diet to protect their heart or to shrink their waistline, but they completely forget to eat for their nervous system. Here's the biological truth. After age 50, our cellular repair slows down, making our nervous system naturally more sensitive to chronic cortisol and daily stress. If you're constantly feeling overwhelmed, wired, or exhausted, your current diet is leaving your changing nervous system entirely unprotected. So today I'm covering the 3 foods that act like a physical shield against midlife stress. So let's dive in. Food number 1, avocados. Think of your nerve endings like electrical cords, and they need an insulation jacket to transmit signals smoothly without short-circuiting. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats. Those are the healthy fats, and B vitamins that physically help maintain this protective coating. So adding just half an avocado to your daily routine helps quiet the background noise of daily anxiety. Oh, wouldn't that be great? Now let's go to food number 2. Dark leafy greens such as like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, bok choy, arugula. I love these. If you know me, I call them my green guys. When stress hits your body, your nervous system slams on the gas pedal. Magnesium is your body's natural brake pedal. It forces your tense muscles and hyperreactive nerves to chemically downregulate. Magnesium balances the neurotransmitters, preventing your brain from becoming overstimulated. And magnesium also regulates cortisol and acts as a natural muscle relaxer, which is why people take it before bedtime. And the last mention today is food number 3, wild blueberries. Because chronic stress creates inflammation, and inflammation directly irritates your brain cells and your nervous system. So wild blueberries are packed with unique antioxidants called anthocyanins. Think of them like a cleanup crew for your brain, sweeping away the stress-induced toxins that leave you feeling foggy and on edge by 3 p.m. So lovely people, eating these foods is only half the battle. True resilience comes from a compounding series of small actions, what I call the 5% shift rule. To maximize the effect of these foods, we use a CBT tool called Cognitive Priming. Why don't you try this? So before you eat, take a 5-second pause. Look at the food and silently, tell your brain exactly what it's going to do for you. Say to yourself, this food is calming my nerves and protecting my peace. This simple phrase primes your mind-body connection, shifting your brain out of survival mode so your digestion can fully absorb these calming nutrients. This is similar to mindfulness or a gratitude prayer. So true midlife resilience is the result of the daily proactive shifts you make for your mind and your body. And for my complete ageless wellness lifestyle coaching sessions, clinical supplement guides, and direct community support in my Patreon salon, I'm directing you to the links in the description box below. This is Shirley, your holistic lifestyle specialist, reminding you to breathe and stay resilient.